Hi, I'm Peter Haddock and I'm here in the quarry just with the light of the moon. But folks, that is completely unsafe. That's why HIMOINSA have joined me here today so that I can shine a light on the industry and see why lighting on the job site in a quarry, but also in construction, is so important, folks. And it starts with how you set up your lighting and the lighting options. And today, well, this evening, I'm joined by Ian. Ian, you are the expert here, and wow, what
Welcome.
a huge difference that was from literally being in the moonlight to being here now, fully illuminated and safe on the job site. First of all, we're looking at one of the really critical transition periods in the industry, and transition means hybrid, folks, because hybridization really important when we've got sites like this in construction, isn't it?
Absolutely.
What have we got in front of us?
So this is our hybrid lighting tower. So it's a diesel generator with a lithium battery system as well. You can operate it in diesel mode only, battery mode only, or as the name suggests, the hybrid.
Fantastic. And we've only just had this straight from a site.
Absolutely.
And so we've just put some fuel in it earlier today, run it up, and we've even put 25% on it, actually, when we've been playing around with the lighting today.
Absolutely.
That's optimizing the engine, isn't it?
It is, absolutely. Absolutely. It just reduces the wear and tear on the Stage 5 Yanmar engine anyway. It's absolutely primarily set up for this unit. But it gives you, with the lithium and the battery system, gives you that silent operation which we need for this evening to enjoy the countryside.
Yeah, and we have brought diesel options here as well, folks. We're going to see one of those in a minute. I think what's really important here also is the control systems as well, isn't it? Talk me through a little bit about the quick start and everything like that.
So everything here is all laid out very, very quickly and easily for anybody to be able to, the first users to be able to operate it. And there's also within the control panel the built-in assistant. So you switch the unit on, you decide which mode of operation you want to use it, and follow through the menu. It's absolutely simple.
But folks, where is the battery, Ian?
Well, it's nice and easily. It's in this control panel, Peter.
Oh, right.
So here we go. So this is the lithium battery that's powering this unit currently as we speak.
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah.
Right,
Yeah.
come on, let's try and see something else, Ian. Right, folks, we've already been trying this out as well earlier for going up and down automatically. We've not got any manual handling as such. And also, you know, we're on rugged ground here. So again, the stabilizer is really important, aren't they?
Absolutely. Yeah, it's got full adjustability. We've also got the old-fashioned and never been beaten spirit levels, so you can make sure that the unit is perfectly adjusted for whatever ground conditions that it goes on to.
Right, so let's talk about it. We've seen it going up and down, and we'll put the footage on there, folks. This is really important when you do have something like this, where you're actually able to control it sensibly, but also get to the different heights as well, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely. So you can operate this mast or operate the lights at any point in where the mast sets off, from sort of the 2 metre height when it's in its close, if you really wanted it, up to the full extension of 8 metres.
So we're talking about light here, but come around the side, folks, with us, because what's really important is to understand the elements that are in the rest of the unit here. So open it up for me, Ian. So what's really important again here is the luminance we talk about, because it's LED lighting, isn't it?
It is, yeah, absolutely.
That's really important. Here, we've actually not had to use the full luminance on this because we're using other lights as well.
This unit's set at 25% at the moment,
wow.
So it's got another 75% of output available for it if we so wanted.
That's brilliant. And inside here, again, access, maintenance, etc.
Nice, easy access for the engineers. There's access on all 4 sides, so it's absolutely spot on. Yeah.
So
ease in operation.
Again, what we wanted to look at round back here, folks, is the... Oh, look, it's got the words environmentally friendly on it, Ian. But again, you know, there's the engine, access panels, simple to put together, but it's the connectivity that goes inside here that's really important. Who'd have thought you wanted to connect a lighting system up, folks? But you can do that, can't you?
Can do, ideal for events, so so that the operator, the site owner, can manage, you know, multiple units all through the App Connect system. They can switch the units on, switch the units off, check all the status of every individual machine.
But there's a little bit of autonomy built in here, Ian, because I've seen the fact that actually this unit can be automatic. When it gets dark, it can raise up and light the whole space itself, can't it?
Absolutely, yeah. With its built-in dusk till dawn sensor, it will automatically deploy. So as long as you've placed it in a safe environment, no overhead pylons or anything like that. Once you set the machine up, you don't have to go back to site.
Fantastic. So we've got connectivity, we've got hybridization with this one as well. We've also got the ability to change that lighting setup and move the lights around a bit as well to make sure you're lighting up the right part of the area, and me in this circumstance, folks.
Absolutely.
And so this is really important. We've got to this hybridization stage, but also it's more to you guys than just this model, isn't it? We've actually got a diesel model right in front of us there that's also giving us light, so that's another option as well, isn't it?
Yeah, we have a range of static and mobile applications for lighting towers.
So let's go to the mobile, folks, because the static is here, but the mobile has just been driven in. So let's go and have a look. Come on. So driven in is exactly what you've done today, isn't it?
It is, yeah. Ian? Yeah, came to site to see, yeah, absolutely.
And what was really important about that is we've driven this in. This is the diesel version, the H Compact Plus. That's allowing us to get onto the job site really simply and easily.
Yeah.
Hiring this machine is a really important thing,
perfect for the hire companies where the guy turns on a Friday night and says, I need a lighting tower. They've got them in stock. Move it away, absolutely, and tow it back.
And so as we open this up for us.
Sure, yeah.
Because one of the important things about this, folks, you see the engine in here now. Accessibility for maintenance, isn't it?
Yeah.
All there.
Everything's there. There's, it's a service engineer's dream. All the first, all the daily checks, so easily, so accessible.
And you've got the control panel there. And the important thing about bringing this down, folks, listen to that. That's why I wanted you to do that, folks. Listen to that, because the dampening is there as well, isn't it, within this system. And when we're talking about job sites and construction, it rains a lot.
Absolutely.
It was raining earlier today. We had our fingers crossed. This is a really solid setup.
Solid
to protect,
unit,
isn't
it?
Absolutely.
Yeah. We moved away from the traditional steel canopies to the polyurethane vacuum injected body. Really hard wearing. Really very, very rugged.
And also lighter, isn't it?
Lighter.
That's the whole point.
Yeah,
It means more people can tow it on different pieces of equipment. And again, there, the control panel, very similar approach with the assistants as well.
With the assistant, it looks very similar to what you'd find in the hybrid unit.
And I let Ian put this one up to folks earlier, and so we can see how that was quite a simple process yet again. Yeah. This time we've dipped it down, we've not gone to full strength as well, have we?
No, absolutely, again. Yeah.
So folks, what's really important about all this is lighting, massive safety, massive importance on the job site.
Yeah, absolutely.
Construction, absolute must to have the right thing. Having then a reliable Yanmar engine in this case, having a hybrid situation in that, allowing us to have those particular options for the job site, fixed and mobile. So the big question is, Ian, where can they find them? Where can people look to find these guys?
We have dealers all around the world, around the world. So all our subsidiaries and certainly in the UK, you can speak to me.
So folks, the other thing you can do, Ian, is have a bit of mood lighting and change the lighting around as well, can't you?
Yeah, really easy. We've got four points of adjustment there for the light angles for the yaw plane, and then really easy rotation as well to get that precision of exactly where you want the light. So if you just rotate that mass round,
I'm going to rotate it, folks.
Nice and easy.
Now we've rotated to a different area. We're a little bit further in the dark, but Ian, that means we've got the other function where you can put us up and shine some more light.
Easily raise it up and you get the perfect coverage.
So folks, a lot going on here today in the dark, but we've done it, Ian.
Yep.
We've shined a light on what is a really important range and what is something that people can now use all over the job site and have their environmental touch with the hybrid as well. Cheers, Ian.
Thanks a lot. Cheers.